Hey guys, I'm at Vibroplex checking out their wide assortment of CW keys, and I got Scott here to talk a little bit about them. So,
Hey.
what's going on? Good to see you.
Josh, good to see you too.
Yeah.
Yeah, great weekend here at Orlando again. Vibroplex is the oldest continuously operating name in amateur radio. This is our 119th year in business. And we started with the Bug Morse code keys back in 1905. Still version 1.0. Not only the Bugs, we have a wide range of paddles, the Vibropeer single lever paddle, straight keys, Vibroplex straight keys, and Venture. Venture is, of course, another well-regarded name in Morse code keys. We took over ownership of them in 2015. This is the BY1 iambic paddle, which is probably the most popular, best-selling iambic paddle in ham radio. Its cousin, the BY2 in decorative chrome, and the BY1B in black chrome. If you want both an iambic paddle and a straight key on a single base, you can get those together. We do those with the Vibropeers as well. Of course, Vibroplex iambic standard paddles, similar to the Ventures, but these have more range of adjustment than the Ventures do. And then the big block of steel here is the Vibrocube, weighing it at 6 pounds. It's a big, heavy piece of steel. I mean, that's not going anywhere on the table. Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
I never really thought to ask. You got Vibroplex and you bought Venture.
Yeah.
Two different names. You just keep the names because they're well known in the community.
So well known. I mean, why would I change the name? You know,
Right, it's a good brand on its own.
I started talking to Bob Loker and his partner Jerry about buying Venture in about 2012, and they decided finally to retire in 2015. We took over, and we're still building the paddle just exactly like they were when they ran the company back from the 1970s up to 2015. We have dust covers for various keys, DCIV. These are for the iambics, Vibropeers, straight keys. DCBY is for the BY series Venture paddles. These are for the Code Warriors, which is this little paddle right here.
Yeah, that's cool.
And DCO, of course, for original Bug, all made in America.
Yeah, so is everything made in America?
Yeah, we make all of the keys, all this done in the United States. We actually contract with the mill for steel.
Nice.
We buy it at a place in the Gulf Coast in Mobile. Do all the machine work is done in the United States, chopping, milling the holes, all the stuff. This is die-cast zinc. These arms are brass. Plastics are fabricated here in the United States. The American-made product, all the different parts, and of course we do the assembly here in the U.S. as well.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Scott. Thank you for catching me up on the very wide range of keys you offer. So that's super cool. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Josh.